Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be going through checkpoint year 9 progression test. So the first question that I have here is, a plant is 6.2 centimeter tall. The height of the plant is increased by 11% each week, right? Find how tall the plant will be after 2 weeks. So that means there will be 11% increase in first week and 11% in second week. So we will calculate one by one the increase in first week. So first week increase is going to be 11% of 6.2. So meaning 11 over 100 times 6.2. So let's see how much is that. So 11 times 6.2 divided by 100. So you got 0.682. So this is the increase, right? So this is the increase. Then height after 1 week. Height of the plant after a week is 6.2 was before and plus 0.682. So this is actually plus 6.2. So this is 6.882, right, centimeters. This is the height after 1 week. Now increase, first week increase, now second week increase. Second week increase is going to be 11% again, but on this one 11% of 6.882. So that means 11 over 100 times 6.882. So let's see that. 11 times 6.882 divided by 100. It is 0.75. 0.757. We can write it down, 0.76. Now after the second week increase, so we will have the how tall the plant after 2 weeks. So height after 2 weeks is going to be we had height before this one 6.882 plus 0.76. So 6.882 plus 0.76. So this is 7.642. So we can write down 7.64 as answer, right? Now number 2, Perry says, I think of a number n, I multiplied by 4, then I squared, then I add 6. Write down algebraic expression for his rule. So he thinks of a number n, then he multiplied by 4, that is this, which is 4n. Then I squared it, then he squared it, and then add 6. So this is the expression. You can just write it down as 4n square plus 6. Then even you can open the bracket. 4 times 4 is 16, n squared plus 6. So final answer is 16n squared plus 6, right? Now number 3, draw a ring around each of the rational numbers. So we have rational numbers here. So we will see the answers. So this is the whole number. Only number you can see irrational is here 7, because square root or cube root of 8 is going to be 2. This is also like a rational number because you are going to get a decimal, and this is answer is 90. So all these are rational numbers. This one is rational, this is rational, this is rational, this is rational. The only irrational number here is square root 7. Question 4. A line is drawn on the grid. Here we have the line. Find the equation of the line. So now you know that the equation of line is y equals to mx plus c, where m is slope and c is y-intercept. So y-intercept, you can see this is y-intercept. Y-intercept is a line that is a point where the line intersects y-axis, right? And for the gradient, you can choose any point. Like let's say I'm choosing this one here. So if you see, let me write down here, gradient is rise over run, right? So rise here is, let's say from here, run is 2 and rise is 1 unit, right? So it is 1 over 2 or 0.5. 0.5, replace the value x, and plus c is, we have c, it is 2 and then it is 3. So this is equation of line. Now number 5. Oliver and Mia attempts this question. Around 0.027648 correct to 3 significant figures. Oliver says the answer is 0.028. Mia says the answer is 0.0276. Tick to show who is correct. Oliver or Mia explain why the other answer is not correct. So now if we want to round this 0.027648, 3 significant figure, so this will not be counted here, so it starts from here actually 1 2 3. So 3 significant figure is going to be 0.0276. so Mia is correct. So how we can write down the answer, the reason. So here the first significant, 0 is not significant, so first significant figure is number is 2. Then we can you can write in any way. So the first significant number, is 2. So that's why 3 is second is 7 and third one is 6. So that's why Mia is correct. Number 6, draw a line to match each scatter graph to the best description. So we have 4 scatter graphs here and we have 4 boxes. Now you see this is strong, weak, weak, strong correlation, right? So the weak one is the first and the last one. So now if we see the weak is here, so let's see first of all where we will match this one. You see, as we move along x-axis this way, these points are going upward, so that means this is a positive. So but it's weak positive correlation, it will come over here. And here in the last one, if you move this way, so then points are coming down, so that means it's a negative weak, because points are scattered here and there, so it will go to this one. Now here we have these two strong. Again, if you go along this way, points are coming down. If you are moving this way, points are coming down. So this is strong but negative correlation, so it will match to this one. So we are left with this will go to this one, right? Now number 7, calculate this 0.6. so we can directly use calculator. 0.6 first bid mass, so we are going to use solve this first. 1.78 minus 0.28, so we have here 1.5. so this is 1.5 squared over 5. So 0.6 plus 1.5 squared is 1.5 times 1.5, it is 2.25 over 5. So now 2.25 plus 0.6, and then this answer you are going to divide it by 5. So final answer is 0.6. 69, I think, wait, 1.78 minus 0.28, this is 1.5 times 1.5, 2.25, that's correct. 2.25 plus 0.6, 2.85, this is 2.85 divided by 5. This answer is divided by 5. So answer is 0.57. So I think I made mistake in the previous calculation. So 0.57 is final answer, right? Now question number 8. Safia drives a 4 hours from A to B. Angelic drives at half the speed of Safia. Find how many hours Angelic takes to drive from A to B. So you see, they are driving from same station A to B, right? She drives for 4 hours. So Safia, she drives for 4 hours and Angelic drives at half speed. So if the speed is half, time taken will be double. Time taken will be doubled, right? So that means 4 hours times 2, that is 8 hours. Okay, so now number 9. The table shows the information about the masses of 20 watermelons. So we have the masses here. You see, frequency is given, midpoint is given, f time x is given. So complete the table. So now we have to complete this one here. So it's not hard. You see, the frequency is given, midpoint is half of this. I mean, add them together. Like this is 2 plus 4 over 2. 2 plus 4 over 2, 6. 6 over 2 is 3, right? 4 plus 6, 10. 10 divided 2 is 5. 8 plus 6, 14 divided by 2, 7. Now this is 8 plus 10 over 2. That is 18. 18 over 2 is 9, right? And now fx. So fx means you are multiplying these two, f times x. So 5 times 9, it is 45. Now you add them together. The total of this is 6 plus 20, 6 plus 20 plus 63 plus 45. We got 134, right? Now calculate an estimate of the mean mass of these watermelons. So mean is equal to sum of, this is the notation of sigma, sum of f times x over sum of these frequencies. So 134 divided by 20. So 34 divided by 20, 6.7. So 6.7 kg. Explain why your answer to part B is an estimate. Because you see, we are not known about the exact value. So this value is like between 2 to 4. So it may be 2.1, it may be 2.3. So we don't have the exact value. So we can say the data is grouped. The data is grouped and values are not exact. So that's why this is an estimate. Okay, number 10 we have here, Lily counts the number of people on 12 buses that arrive at Pugu bus station in one day. Here is the information. She draws stem and leaf diagram like this here. The key is 16 buses. Lily makes some mistakes on her stem and leaf diagram. Redraw the stem and leaf diagram correctly below. So we are not doing anything here. Read instructions carefully, right? See here, redraw the stem and leaf diagram correctly below. So we are making diagram here, right? So we will start with the numbers. Here we have the number, minimum number. This is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we will start writing this. You can start from here like 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 9, 2, 0. So they all are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all are going in same in 2 there. Here we have first of all, let me write down here. We have the 20s number 23, 29, 20, 27, again 27, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number that starts with 2, right? I have written. Now you need to write them in order. So first of all, we will have 20 here, that is 0. Then after that is 3. Then we have 7, 7, 8 and 9, right? Now this one is done. After that we have here 4. 4 with 4 we have 44 and 41. 44 and 41. So 1 will come here, 4 will come here, right? What next? We are done with all these numbers. Then we have 19, 16 and 17. 19, 16, 17. So in order, first we will have here 6, 7 and 9. Finally we are left with 8 here. So that will go here because we have only one single digit number, that is only 1. So like you see here, the mistake was here 1, 4. So she has not ordered that and she missed 7 here also. Okay, so that's it. And the key is going to be same, like 1, 6 represents 16. It's okay, there is a mistake also here. Lily counts number of people, so this is not buses, these are number of people, 16 people. Okay, so you see this is 3 marks question. You need to put some efforts here to complete this one. Now number 12, some equations of a straight line have been placed in the Venn diagram. So we have here the Venn diagram. Write down a description of a straight line in set A. Straight line in set A, we have, write down the description. Okay, you need to see what is common in this A. If you look at the lines, you see 3x plus 3, y equals to 3x minus 4, y equals to 3x minus 2. So they all have, if you see, their gradient is 3. So we can say they all have gradient of 3, right? Now write down the description of straight line in set B. Set B is here, right? So here if you see what is common, now you see the gradient is not common. This is 3 here, 1, 9, minus 2. What is common here? Minus 2. You see here minus 2 everywhere. So that means they all have y-intercept of minus 2. They all have y-intercept of minus 2, right? Now write the equation of y equals to minus 2x plus 3 in the correct part of the Venn diagram. So where should it go? If you see, we have 2 kind of graphs here, lines here in the Venn diagram based upon 2 type of lines. The gradient 3. So we don't have gradient 3 here. And then the second one is y-intercept of negative 2, and also this is not that. So this is none of that. So we are going to put it here outside there, right? So we have number 13 here. The map shows the position of 2 lighthouses A and B. Here we have 8 and B. The map is drawn to scale 1 to 50,000. So the bearing of ship S from lighthouse is 80 degrees. The distance of the ship S from the lighthouse is this one. So first of all, we need to have find out the scale. Scale is 1 to 50,000, right? So we are looking for 1.8 kilometers. So 1.8 kilometers. So we can convert that into, we are looking for this one here, kilometers. So this, when you cross multiply, x is going to be 18 times 50,000 equals to 1 times 18. So divide by 50,000 and divide by 50,000. So when you do this, you will get, let me see, 18 divided by 50,000. Okay. So we can convert this 18 kilometers to meters. So centimeters, sorry, times 1000 is kilometers, then times 100 is going to be in centimeters, right? It's because our scale is always in centimeters. So 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. I forgot to put decimal here, sorry, it's here, right? So now we have 1.8 times 10 divided by 5, so which comes out to be 3.6 centimeters, right? So now what you are going to do here, you are going to make angle of 80 degrees from this line. So I'm just making rough diagram right now. I don't have this what do you say, the protractor. So 80 is going to come somehow like this. You are going to make this 80 degrees here, and then you cut like 3.6 centimeters from A. So 3.6 is going to be somewhere here, right? So two possible positions with ship S on the map. So one is this one, so another one may be like away from this, again 3.6. so we have two possible positions for that one, right? Now number 14, expand the bracket. So just expand it. X times x is x squared minus 7x, then you plus 4x minus 28. So x squared minus 3x minus 28. So this is our answer. So that's it guys for this video. Remaining question we will do in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will wait for your comments in the comment section about the feedback. Please press the like button if you like it, and share it with your friends, and please subscribe. God bless you guys. See you in the next video.